ELI5. Why is it that not wearing a seat belt is unsafe and illegal? Yet most U.S. school buses aren't even equipped with them. The most basic explanation I've heard is that if a school bus gets into an accident, it will win. I enjoy learning, but sometimes I scroll through looking for an answer that an actual child would understand. I rarely see it. In my country, all buses built after 2004 need to have seat belts on all seats, and all people over 3 years need to use the seat belt. It's the law. Otherwise you might get fined. There aren't. We had seat belts by the late 80s. Nobody used them though. Could you imagine trying to unbuckle 60 kids hanging upside down with the bus on fire? And then get them all out safely? Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.